This year I am breaking a couple of rules with my tomato plants. The first thing is I am not burying it deep. Now I buried this in the soil a couple of days ago and I planted it at soil level. I didn't go deep like I normally would. I would have buried at least 4 inches into the soil. I didn't do that, and part of the reason I didn't do that is because Epic Gardening did an experiment not too long ago where they did the deep burying, they did the side lying on its side burying, and then they also planted one which was just at the surface of the soil where the roots originally were. And the one that was the last one, which was not buried deep, actually did the best. So I think it may be a myth that we need to plant tomatoes deep. Yes, they will develop roots along the stem if you bury them deep, but it's mostly still concentrated at the base of the plant, and it refocuses the plant's energy on growing roots rather than continuing to grow the plant. So we'll see how this does. One more rule that I'm breaking is I am breaking the tomato plant spacing rule. So these are pretty close together, maybe a little bit more than a foot. I usually plant them about 18 inches to 2 feet apart if they are indeterminate varieties, but I am not, because the soil in this planter, this is about 3 years old, and so it is really good soil. I've added some fertilizer, and I think that it should not have too much competition going on over here, and I will fertilize over the course of the season. So I've got 3 tomato plants that are growing in this planter. I might actually come and squeeze in a pepper as well, or maybe an eggplant.